Welcome! In this video I will initiate a workflow on the GearMotor assembly. I will use a simple pre-configured workflow to capture verification that the product documentation is updated. I will add a comment and complete the task. I'll use Teamcenter Quick Search functionality to find and locate the GearMotor assembly. Teamcenter X comes with many out-of-the-box workflows. Here I am going to initiate a simple workflow on the GearMotor. Once the workflow is initiated, I am notified of a pending task in my inbox. Once I am in my inbox, I can see my pending tasks, my team tasks, and tasks that I am tracking. In the Targets area, I can easily see all of the related information associated with this workflow. Here I can add a comment to this task and approve this step of the workflow. I was able to experience Teamcenter X's seamless workflow integration. I can easily send items to workflows, update targets, preview data, and add comments to my workflow step. If you're curious to know more about our services, we offer a 30-day free trial that you can access by clicking on the free trial button located at the bottom right corner. Give it a try and see how it works for you.